Kaizer Chiefs ishaya iChippa United 5-1 bafethu laphana kwiDiski TV Challenge 5 and kulo first half i-first half iphele kuyi-1-1 bekubonakala ngathi igame izoba tough, izoba tight, but guess what, second half i-Kaizer Chiefs yashaya 4 goals adding to 1 last first half 5-1. Bashawa kanjalo-ke abafana beChippa United, kuchaza ukuthi-ke i-Kaizer Chiefs iya le eNgilandi nge-2 wins impressive. So last week siyazi ukuthi bashaya Orlando Pirates and then manje bashaya iChippa United and then they are climbing to a third place. So baku-third place after ama-draws ababhayizisile. So nabo abantu abakorile kule game i-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu. uManqoba ozomena ushaya amagoli awu-2 iBrace and then uKamohelo Molefe ushaya igoli, uNaledi Hlongwane ushaya igoli, Thulani Mabaso ushaya igoli, captain yabo. Bengikhuluma ngawo earlier on lama youngsters ukuthi ama-super youngsters, super talented, ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs izodila kanjani nabo. Ozomena siyamazi-ke bafethu lo shaya number 10 laphana, ulo waku-2 years ku-first team uzojoyina. There was a time la baze bamnika nenamba kukhona ucoach Nabi next zangajoyina i-first team but unokujima nje nabo lapho nalapho. Then uThulani Touch Mabaso noHlongwane siyazi ukuthi boba-2 bane-contract ne-first team, chaza ukuthi bayahola ba-right-ke abafana ngoba balaphana ku-DDC team. uThulani Touch Mabaso i-captain yabo. Naledi Hlongwane kubuya ku-injury already, senama-goals last week ushaye igoli ne-Orlando Pirates. Kusho ukuthi they've been missing him because since ebuyile ku-injury iKaizer Chiefs iyaqala futhi iyawina. So that's good for bona, they are showing ukuthi ama-champions. uMalifo bafowethu, what a player, uMalifo what a player, and une-good shooting range, uyakwazi ukushaya out of 18, uyakwazi ukushaya eduze, powerful umfana, powerful for amakhosi. So baqhubeke njalo abafana. So bona I wish sokwazi ukubabukela noma ukuba-streama live laphana ku what is this whether online, yasibone ukuthi abafana bazodlala kanjani le eNgilandi. Cause bashaye amagoli awu-4 wabo lawo bawashaye bafethu. I think it was 20 minutes to go, lapho nje 20 minutes to go bawashaye ngokushesha fast bafethu 4 goals. Bekunzima kakhulu for abafana beChippa United ukuthi bazame ukucontain iKaizer Chiefs. I wish laba bangadlali, especially laba abancane. Yabona as much as sikhulumela uBatman ukuthi angadlali ku-DDC team, lento le bengisho ukuthi uBatman njengoba baya lena e-Europe ngabe bamthathile noma bayamthatha bahamba naye because kuchisa akakathole ne-game time. Forget even i-game time bafowethu, i-match day squad not even once. So beyizomsiza ngempela i-experience ukuthi adlale nabafana as they advance, well no, as they travel man to UK eNgilandi labo dlala khona no Manchester United. But let's not just focus kubafana laba abakorile nje kuphela, khona amanye ama-player I think are equally important than abanye, kufana nalaba abakorile, not just to say ukuthi yilaba abakorile kuphela laba aba-important. No, khona nabanye aba-important laphana kuChiefs. I mean ugoalkeeper wabo ubani uTakalani, a-good goalkeeper, powerful laphana emuva, uyi-decision maker. Bayazi ukuthi mabanaloya keeper loya bayamtrust noma ngithi bayamthemba. Ama-defenders khona-ke uBobo bafethu and then khona uTimba laphana. uTimba ku-good, powerful, uyi-right back futhi uphinde adlalele nama-under 20 but ungamconverter futhi, i-versatility khona kumfana, uyathanda futhi nokudriver forward. Phagu khona uPhagu strong bafethu, strong, powerful uPhagu. uNkwesa-ke left back bafethu, hayi uye-ke naye une-first team contract umfana laphana, u-strong kakhulu. Then khona abanye abawu-Hendricks, then khona o-goalkeeper thola ukuthi uMokoena, but uMokoena isho uTakalani phela uyovimba kakhulu. Then umfana ubuyile-ke umfana laphana ku-World Cup bafethu kuma-under 17 uBuhloko. Ubani umfana laphana, ubani ozomena, ungene second half, imagine ungene second half but wakwazi ukushaya 2 goals. I don't know ukuthi why bamqalisa ebhenjini because isikhathi esiningi manje uqala ebhenjini. He was seen as one of their brightest stars boma last season but uma eqala ebhentshini naku-D_D_C team every match ayiqala ebhentshini bafethu maybe khona inkinga. Inkinga yokuthini ukuthi maybe aka-progress to quickly or kwenzakalani or just nje abafana abanye baphefoma ngcono kunaye. Cause njengoba bengishilo ukuthi bekuthiwa uya ku-first team and ozomena befunwa amaZulu. Kaizer Chiefs said no, away lapho. Possibly nayo first team contract cause khona thola ukuthi abafana abanye bayahola ku-D_D_C team abanye nje bathola lawo ibizwani lento le ama-stipend, I think bathi ama-stipend or yini. Lo 2,000 or 3,000 kuyahluka kuya ngokuthi i-team kune-arrangement enjani, but yakhona abaholayo thola ukuthi uyabona o-Touch bahola iy'mali and then-ke abanye abadlali kunzinyana kusamele baziphruve ngempela laphana ethimini ukuthi babathathe serious, but yeah, it's a journey of ibhola. Iyo journey nayo ayifani. Bengibukele ubani lo ngikhona umuntu mani bedlala i-Kaizer Chiefs uShobani or ubani esho ku-interviews ukuthi even for yena bekubuhlungu ukuthi udlala nomuntu ethimini, lowo muntu loyo akaholi lutho but yena uyahola. Uthi uyasho ukuthi ngidlala nomuntu oyedwa, omunye une-contract omunye akanayo i-contract, so dlala nomuntu oyedwa. Kuyenzeka-ke laphana ku-D_D_C into nje injwayelo. You have to prove yourself before izinto zikuhambela kahle, before bakunika leyo contract, before they can even consider ukuthi mhlampe ungaya ku-first team. Baningi ubani uVilakazi unangakhi? Abantu aba-eligible ukuthi badlale laphana ku-D_D_C team, ku-senior team oVilakazi, uBatman, think noDuba usaqualify ukuthi adlale, but-ke oDuba they've really advanced, like won't make sense ukuthi babuyele emuva. Omunye-ke nale player leli bafethu ubani uDonny Jansen, yes, Donny Jansen. Ulo bamlone ku-SuperSport United already beseka ku-senior team only for umfana ukuthi abuyele ku-D_D_C team, which is just sad. Kusho ukuthi akakhulanga, akayanga ndawo, ustakile. What I'm hearing ukuthi ngathi i-future yakhe ayikho ku-Kaizer Chiefs. There is no future between yena ne-Chiefs because una-22 already besebampromotile baze bamhambisa nasethimini but wahluleka ukuphefoma kahle laphana ku-SuperSport United. Will be interesting to see ukuthi bazomgcina for isikhathi esingakanani cause even ku-D_D_C team yabo or noma ngithi ku-Diski Challenge is not one of their brightest stars. Ngcono kuthiwa ulaphana ku-D_D_C team but-ke uphefoma than abanye abadlali, is preferred than abanye abadlali but-ke akwenzeki lokho at the moment. Kaze uzophelelaphi mfowethu? Sombona cause namhlanje uqalile but still uyaqala like ama-games, uyawadlala ama-game amaningi. I think maybe they are pushing for yena kakhulu, but bayamphusha ukuthi mana athole lowo game time. But mina mangibukela i-match, according to mina angikaze ngambona ba-highly influential laphana. Udlala esayidini lakwa-right isikhathi esiningi but i-influence yakhe angiyiboni. What are they gonna do? But yeah, there's no future for yena laphana ku-senior team because uyi-senior player laphana ku-D_D_C team. Cela ukuyibamba la nokwamanje bafethu. Danko, cela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe, is making sure ukuthi le page ifika ku-15,000 subscribers, even more.